Kia ora team, welcome to another online tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about mutation as a cause of variation. So previously we've discussed variation and some of its causes, or some of the ways that we get variation or differences in the genes present in a population. Okay. Previously we've talked about that being sexual reproduction, through the process of meiosis, and two individuals passing on their respective DNA to a single offspring. Okay, but neither sexual reproduction or creating variation in the genes that we pass on through meiosis can actually create new alleles. Okay, there's only one thing that can do that, and that is mutation. Producing new alleles, providing variation. Okay, so can produce new alleles. Mutations don't turn turtles into ninjas. They're often very subtle. Or referred to as silent. Mutation can occur naturally during DNA replication. Okay, where there is an error and results in a change in the order of our base pairs. Now, this doesn't change the gene. This doesn't make you grow wings or do anything crazy like this. But what it does do is produce new alleles. This can be a natural process, or it can be influenced by mutagens, things that promote or increase the rate of mutation. Okay. Now, mutation is not always bad. It can be, with some mutation or a very common cause of mutation being cancerous growths. They can be beneficial. This can give organisms a survival advantage. Which means they may survive, they may thrive, and they may pass on these genes. Introducing this new allele to the greater population or to the gene pool. So, what have we talked about in summary? Mutation can cause variation. Variation doesn't just come from sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction and variation due to meiosis cannot produce new alleles, but mutation can. Okay? Mutation's not this crazy thing that produces Ninja Turtles. Okay? Often mutations are very subtle or silent. Mutations are not always bad. They can be. They can often cancer. But they can also be beneficial and give a survival advantage to organisms. Okay. Mutation occurs during DNA replication, or errors in that DNA replication where there's a change in the code of our base pairs, or the order of our base pair coding, this producing a new allele. Okay. DNA replication issues are both natural and can be induced through mutagens. remembering that only mutation in our gametes or sex cells can actually be passed on to our offspring. Hopefully this has helped you out, team, thinking about how mutation can be a cause of variation, and will allow you to get out there and get into some of those pesky NCEA questions you may be having trouble with. Good luck.